How to fix application error, a client-side exception has occurred. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix application error, a client-side exception has occurred. Now, this error occurs in Google Chrome whenever you try to access a different web page. If you're facing this issue, then the first thing you want to do is click on these three dots. Now select Help. Now click on About Google Chrome. Here you want to make sure Chrome is updated. So if it is not updated, go ahead and update that. Once that is done, again click on these three dots. Now select Delete Browsing Data. Now click on Delete Browsing Data option. Select the time range for all time. Now select these three boxes, then click on the Delete Data option. Now refresh your website and this issue will be fixed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.